Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship, the ultimate destination for decoding the mysteries of relationships. Today's video is a game changer. We'll be diving into the secrets that, when unlocked, have the potential to make her utterly obsessed with you overnight. But before we unravel these potent moves, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more relationship wisdom. Now, let's get into the details of igniting that irresistible spark. Segment 1. Unleashing unpredictability. First on the list is the power of unpredictability. Break away from routines, surprise her with unexpected gestures, and keep her guessing. Humans are wired to crave novelty, and injecting spontaneity into your interactions can trigger a sense of excitement and anticipation that can evolve into a captivating obsession. Segment 2. Mastering emotional connection. Now, let's talk about the magic of emotional connection. Establishing a deep, meaningful bond goes beyond surface-level interactions. Share your thoughts, dreams, and vulnerabilities. When you create a genuine emotional connection, it's like forging an unbreakable link that resonates in her heart and fuels a growing obsession. Segment 3. Active listening and understanding. Active listening is a superpower in the realm of relationships. Make her feel heard and understood. When you pay attention to her words, emotions, and subtle cues, you're showing genuine interest. This skill cultivates a connection that transcends the ordinary, making her feel valued and fostering a potential obsession. Segment 4. Elevating your confidence. Confidence is magnetic. Stride into interactions with self-assurance, not arrogance. When you exude confidence, it creates an allure that's hard to resist. Confidence communicates that you know your worth, and that level of assurance can leave a lasting impression, potentially evolving into an obsession. Segment 5. Cultivating mystery. Mystery is a potent ingredient. Don't lay all your cards on the table immediately. Keep an element of mystery about yourself. This isn't about being elusive, but about gradually revealing layers. The intrigue that comes with a hint of mystery can fuel her curiosity, sparking an obsession to unravel the enigma that is you. Segment 6. Thoughtful gestures. Never underestimate the impact of thoughtful gestures. It's not about grand gestures necessarily, it's about the thought and effort you put into them. Whether it's a handwritten note, a surprise date, or remembering her favorite things, these gestures create an emotional imprint that can evolve into a beautiful obsession. Segment 7. The art of complimenting. Complimenting is an art. Be genuine and specific in your compliments. Acknowledge her strengths, appreciate her uniqueness, and let her know she's genuinely seen. A well-timed, sincere compliment has the power to resonate deeply, potentially leading to an admiration that turns into obsession. Segment 8. Creating shared experiences. Shared experiences create bonds that are hard to break. Engage in activities you both enjoy, create memories together, and build a treasure trove of shared moments. These experiences form a unique connection, and the emotional investment in these shared adventures can evolve into a delightful obsession. Segment 9. Maintaining personal independence. Maintaining personal independence is key. While connection is crucial, it's equally important to retain individuality. Pursue your passions, maintain friendships, and foster personal growth. Being a well-rounded individual with a life outside the relationship can cultivate an admiration that turns into a positive obsession. Segment 10. Nurturing mutual goals. Now, let's talk about nurturing mutual goals. Having shared dreams and aspirations creates a powerful connection. When you align your visions for the future, it fosters a sense of unity and purpose. This shared journey can spark an obsession rooted in a desire for a future together. Segment 11. Thoughtful communication. Thoughtful communication is a cornerstone. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Be mindful of your words, choose them with care, and express your feelings sincerely. Thoughtful communication fosters emotional intimacy, potentially leading to an obsession with the depth of connection you share. Segment 12. Embracing vulnerability. Embrace vulnerability. Opening up about your fears, insecurities, and dreams creates a bridge of trust. When you allow yourself to be vulnerable, it invites her to do the same. This mutual vulnerability forms a connection that's raw and real, potentially evolving into a captivating obsession. Segment 13. Balancing attention. Balancing attention is crucial. While showering her with affection is wonderful, maintaining a healthy balance is key. Give her space to pursue her interests and support her individual growth. The ebb and flow of attention create a dynamic that keeps the relationship fresh and can spark a positive obsession. Segment 14. Fostering positivity. Positivity is contagious. Infuse positivity into your interactions, focus on the good, and uplift each other. When your presence becomes associated with joy and positivity, it creates a desire for more of that energy, potentially evolving into a delightful obsession. Segment 15. The element of surprises. Surprises add spice to any relationship. Whether it's a spontaneous date, a small gift, or an unexpected gesture, surprises create moments that stand out. These delightful surprises can make her eager for what's next, potentially evolving into an obsession with the excitement you bring. Segment 16. Supportive encouragement. Supportive encouragement is a true gem. Be her biggest cheerleader, encourage her ambitions, and celebrate her successes. When you're a source of unwavering support, it creates a bond that goes beyond the surface, potentially turning into an obsession with the positive influence you bring into her life. Segment 17. Respecting boundaries. Respecting boundaries is non-negotiable. While connection is vital, it's crucial to respect personal boundaries. Healthy relationships thrive on mutual respect for individual space and autonomy. Respecting boundaries fosters trust, potentially evolving into an obsession with the trustworthiness you embody. Segment 18. Mastering the art of flirting. Flirting isn't just for the early stages. Master the art of flirting throughout your relationship. Playful banter, teasing, and keeping the romance alive contribute to an ongoing sense of attraction. The art of flirting can ignite a spark that turns into an obsession with the thrill of the chase. Segment 19. Evoking sensuality. Evoking sensuality is a powerful move. Create an atmosphere that stimulates the senses. Whether it's through your choice of words, scents, or setting, evoke a sensual ambience. The heightened sensuality can spark an obsession with the allure and passion you bring into her life. Segment 20. Reinforcing trust. Last, but certainly not least, reinforce trust. Trust is the foundation of any lasting connection. Be reliable, keep your promises, and be a person of integrity. When trust is unwavering, it fosters a sense of security and potential obsession with the reliability and honesty you bring into the relationship. And there you have it, the keys to unlocking her obsession overnight. If you've enjoyed these insights, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more relationship gems. And it's been a pleasure sharing these powerful moves with you. Until next time, may your relationships be filled with magic and connection. See you in the next video. If you found these tips valuable, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming content. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for more insights on relationships and personal growth. Until next time, take care.